back to Magnifica Core Craft. Today I'll be teaching you twisted knots. Let's begin. You need 4 cords. You can see it here. You're going to pick this one and this. You have 2 in the middle. So this is my right hand. I'm going to do it just like you are making your square knot. You put it in. That's the first one. You do it again. Then you turn it. Then I'm going to do it 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. That's it. You can see it. I'm doing another one. You pick your cord, put it this way. So this is how we are going to continue until we are done. So you can see this is how it's going to be.